Hi, Stampin' friends. How are you? My name is Dawn Burgett, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And I just wanted to reach out to you to tell you about a really good deal that's happening now until the end of May 2022. Right now, we're having our In Color Starter Kit promotion available. So what does that mean for you? Well, you obviously love Stampin' Up! Product, and that's why you're hanging out with me here. And many of you have spent at least a minimum of $99 with me. So I wanted to reach out to you and let you know about this special. So right now you can purchase what we call the starter kit for $99 plus the tax, free shipping. That's a $13.75 savings right there. And then on top of that, they're going to throw in a paper pumpkin kit. Yay! That's another $22 value. And then to top it off, they're going to throw in some brand new in color goodies for you. So first of all, we have the beautiful grid paper that I use to protect my surface when I'm working. So you get a pack of that. You get a pack of the variety pack of all 5 colors of the 8.5 by 11 cardstock. You'll get the 5 new in color ink pads. And also, and I'm almost forgetting something here, you're also going to get the 6x6 designer series paper in the pattern, which is really cool. And I've been using a lot of that. So with all of that being said, and that's a $66.50 value. So that's right around a $227, $228 value altogether. Now, when you purchase a starter kit, you instantly become a happy shopper. You get a discount on all the products that you already love. And as a demonstrator, we also get to take advantage of the promotions that customers do on top of our discount, which starts at 20%. So it's really a win-win situation. Also, when you purchase the starter kit, you can purchase anything in your kit that you like. You just can't go over the $99 mark, or excuse me, it's $125 product. Excuse me. So yes, you get to choose $125 of product for $99. Oh my goodness, my allergies are getting the best of me. So anyway, I just wanted to run that by you. You may be interested if you're spending at least, or have spent at least $99 with me previously. And I know a lot of you have, that you might want to go ahead and decide to take the plunge. You would be signing up to be a demonstrator, but you can just be a happy shopper. Stampin' Up! Doesn't force you, nor do I, to sell any product whatsoever. Most of the ladies on my team are what we call happy shoppers. They love the discount just as much as I do, and our personal purchases count towards our minimums, which is pretty awesome. So again, we get to take advantage of all of the promotions that customers can, but we get a discount. So if you think that you would like to get a discount on all the stuff that you're already purchasing and be a part of an awesome team, I'm a little biased, but we're a great friendly bunch and a very creative bunch and supportive, and it's like an extended family. And also you'll be joining the Stampin' Up! Community as well, which is a lot of fun. What can I say? I've been a demonstrator for 12 years and I haven't regretted a minute of it. So anyway, if you like any more information about this, make sure to click on the information just above this video here. And you'll go to my online store area and click on Join Now. Or reach out to me directly. I'm an open book about it. All I can say is it's been an opportunity that I've enjoyed for 12 years. And I would love to have you be a part of our Chalet Stampers team. Thanks so much. Have a really good day. Bye-bye.